مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجنان.
To share with you one thing, well, there are two or three things that this group is doing very actively, and as a consequence is actually spreading. The Qadianis are spreading, one through their TV network, and I think it's really important for our Sunni TV channels to think very seriously what message they are giving, and just look at what the Qadiani TV is doing. And it is because of that Qadiani TV, I was in Ghana last year, and I saw that even there they are spreading. How? Which Qadiani went to Ghana? The TV station went. In Nigeria they are spreading. Indonesia they are spreading. Through what? Through the TV. So we really need to think. We have lots of Sunni channels, but I just want to reflect what sort of teachings are we giving? How many people are we converting? This group is doing it. Why are they successful? Just look at the way they are actually conducting their TV. It is very successful. That's one. The other is they have a very interesting concept called Waqf-e No. Now, this is actually one of their big organizations. And the idea is that every Qadiani family should be dedicating their child to this movement. Okay? And, you know, and as a consequence, they have something like 28,000 young men who are dedicated to the Qadiani religion. And in order to further nurture and develop them to a degree level, they have what is known as the Jamiatul Ahmadiyya, the University of the Ahmadis. It's based in it has campuses all over the world, and it has something like 1,400 students. Now their job is really to be muballigh, they call them murabbi as well, okay? And their job is to be their future administrators. In other words, this is an organization. It is well organized, it's got administrators.
शक अल्लाह ताला ने हज़रत मसीह मौऊद अलैहिस्सलाम को इल्हामन ये फरमाया था कि मैं तेरी तबलीग को ज़मीन के किनारों तक पहुँचाऊँगा, और फिर ये भी फरमाया कि खुदा तेरे नाम को उस रोज़ तक जो दुनिया मुनक़ते हो जाए इज़्ज़त के साथ कायम रखेगा और तेरी दावत को दुनिया के किनारों तक पहुंचा देगा। अल्लाह ताला ने हज़रत मसीह मौऊद अलैहिस्सलाम की तबलीग को और आपकी दावत को और आपके नाम को दुनिया के किनारों तक पहुंचाने का वादा किया है। बेशक ये वादा है, वो ये काम अल्लाह ताला अपने वादे के मुताबिक कर भी रहा है और आइंदा भी इंशाल्लाह करेगा।
If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications for every new video. Also make sure to like and comment on the video and follow on Twitter and Instagram.
صل على سفينا صل على محمد